how to get Cash App bank statements. So what we need to do is we just want to load up Cash App, then click on your icon here in the top right. Now once we're taken to this page, we want to scroll down until we see the section for documents. And right here you will be able to see two different categories. So we will have statements and we will have tax returns. Basically we want to click on statements here, and we will be given an option to choose from account statements or savings statements. So if we want to get bank account statements, we'll just click on the first option here, and it's going to ask us for the time period which we want to view. We can also click on older state or view older statements by clicking on this take me there button. But for example, if I want to do June here, what we have to do is just select the month. It's going to automatically prepare the statement, and right here you will see it as a pre-selected or pre-created statement for the month of June in this case, and you can send it to yourself or download it. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.